Alright, so I had to go in and dress the part. Changing the tire is essential when you own a car. And with that said, it's time to pick up the jack, put it to the car. We're going to be put to the test. Well, I'm going to be put to the test. So we're going to have a change a tire or two under Nigel's supervision. He's going to make sure we're doing it correctly. So you have to be the judge. Alright, Nigel.
Yes, sir.
A lot of times people are afraid of changing the tires because they said car might too heavy, this or that. They might put the thing on the wrong place. Everything good?
All right, so most cars have a basic jack and the handle to work it. On the top of the jack, you have a little groove in there. The car has, right, this is called a running board. On the running board, there's a nice little groove there that sits perfectly in the jack, which we already have there. So now you set the handle in and you roll. Roll. And you need to put it at least close to the wheel where you're going to be replacing.
So you don't have to put a handbrake or anything?
Yeah, man, you put it in park and pull up your handbrake.
All right, it's up already. So, and I go, so, that's all.
Right.
All right. So, when doing this, is there anything you have to be careful of, like if you're on the side and it starts? Car starts. Yeah.
Well, first of all, you need to be on a level surface. If you're on a level surface, your park brake is up, then you should be good. You can put a stone on either side of the wheel to make sure.
What if I'm not on a level surface?
You need to find a level surface. If you're not, I guess you can find two nice big stones and put, for example, if you're doing the rear wheel, you want to put two nice big stones. If you're pretty much facing a decline, you put a big stone at the front so it don't roll away.
All right. So,
but it's always best to find a level area.
So if we're going to like Sakina house, because Sakina lives on a hill, you know, like far. And the car broke down right on the bottom of the hill, the top of the hill. You have to find two big stones.
Yeah, you have to find a big stone. Once you get the wheel off the ground, you're good. So you can just check. You don't want to go too high. You just need to clear. It's off.
No.
You can just slip a finger under there and.
I think I can. So.
No, you don't want to do that. In case it slips.
All right. So,
right. But once it's off the ground.
Off the ground.
Right. And then for most cars, this would fit. The handle.
Yeah, well, these are.
It's called a lug tool. But this is a modified car with special lugs and stuff. So we have a 19 socket that you'll use, and you always turn anti-clockwise when you pull it. Hold on, no, that's so easy. You cracked it before?
No, man.
Okay.
Strength in the mega gym and everything there. Don't
you sure the wheel is off the ground, yeah?
Yeah, it's off. Okay. Yeah, off the ground.
So this is a Mitsubishi Evolution. It has 5 lug nuts, they're called. Right. Most cars will have 4. Well, modern cars nowadays have 5 because they come with bigger wheels.
Nick, I see race cars, when I'm going in the pit, they go in and them just...
Yeah, that is like highly sophisticated stuff. And our local race cars don't have that.
Oh, we don't have that?
No, those are like F1 guys and, big juice stuff.
All right, so we take off the bolts. What do you call them?
We call those
lugs?
lug nuts.
Lug nuts.
Right.
Bolts, the one on the bottom.
Yeah, man. So what you do is push. It's working. Okay, very good.
No, man, I will power this.
What you usually do before you jack it off the ground, you'll break those because they're usually tight to pull. And you don't want the wheel spinning while you're trying to turn it. So, wait, you tired already? No, man, you still have 1, 2, 3 left to go.
All right, so I'm on the highway now. So I'm on the highway.
Right.
And it's night time. Do I have to turn on like my hazard lights and then?
Yes, that would be good. A lot of the new cars have a little triangular reflective light in the back. You probably will take that and stick that out, but you definitely need a hazard light.
All right.
If you're on the toll road, then you call them because they'll need to come and set up cones and probably assist you. You're paying for that.
You know, say, I couldn't do this as a job. I'm tired already.
Well,
right, so after I clear all of this, I take out all of them because we actually take it off the tire.
Yeah, man. So we have 2 more to go.
Oh, no, I can't be a mechanic because it takes too long. Well, my mechanic takes long.
Well, you couldn't be on the race team.
Yeah, I couldn't be on the race team.
Right.
Yeah. My mechanic always takes long, so I understand. So we know why.
But you're almost there. 1 left to go.
All right. It's going to be a competition, Nigel.
No, not at all. And then you need to leave some strength because you're going to lift the wheel off now.
Right.
So you kind of pull off. Yeah, man, you can. You sure it's off the ground?
It's off the ground.
No, man, it's not off the ground. You need to go up a little bit more with it.
Nigel, may I try?
You'll have to call Sakina to come outside and help you. If
I know she'll probably do a better job at this than me.
So you have to make sure the wheel is fully off the ground.
So wheel fully off the ground.
You sure?
Oh, brother. See me a sweat.
Just a little bit more and then you can take it off.
I've changed car tires before, you know. But this one.
There, you can lift it off now. There you go, sir. And then you'd have a spare in the back if you had a puncture, so you'd take your spare. So let's consider this is a spare.
Yeah.
And now you're going to put it back on and tighten up, sir. Thank you.
Like today? Can I do it after the break? And that's how you change a tire, ladies and gentlemen. Nigel, it changed.
You don't want to lose your lug nuts, so you put
It changed, Sakina, it changed.
You just took it off. You never, and it looked like it was a task. Hush. I saw it go.
couldn't manage this.
So now you have to put it back on.
Man, the tire just watching him.
You see?